CoRetardio or CTO Airdrop claiming or withdrawal is now live, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your CoRetardio or your CTO to your wallet, be it Metamask or BitGet wallet. So you have from now till 27th of October to do your claiming, and then they can talk of listing. Now the first thing to do is to open up your Metamask wallet. I'm also going to be showing you how you can do this on your BitGet wallet. Once your Metamask opens up, the first thing you want to do is to switch to Core blockchain or Core mainnet. So you can see on my screen here, mine is showing CoRetardio. If you don't know how to do this by now, check the top of your screen. You're going to see a video that I have pinned there if you're watching from YouTube that is going to show you how you can import Core to your wallet. And as you can see on my screen here, after Core, below it is CoRetardio. That is because I have also imported my CoRetardio or my CTO to my Metamask. And I've also explained in a video on how to do that. The video that is shown at the top of your screen is going to show you the details. So by now, you should have gotten that already. The next thing you want to do now is to copy this link, this CoRetardio link. I'll leave a link in the description box of this video that is going to take you to my Telegram where you can get this link. It's very important. This is what you're going to be using to claim the airdrop on CoRetardio page. So once you've copied it, you now head back into your Metamask. Then selecting the fourth option at the bottom of your screen, you go to the DApps section of your Metamask. So this is my DApps. And using this their URL search, I'll paste in the link and search. Now, for some reason, I don't know why I keep getting this error on their page. And a lot of people have also reached out to me that when they try to do it with their Metamask, they keep getting this error. So for that sake, I'm going to skip this Metamask session and I'll show you simply how to do it with your BitGet wallet. Now, if you're going to be using your BitGet, there are things you should note. You must use your connected wallet. For instance, I connected this my Metamask wallet to my CoRetardio, my CTO during the wallet connection phase. So you must use this your wallet address, this your Metamask, and to do that I'll have to import my Metamask wallet address into BitGet using my seed phrase. It's simple. I'll show you the steps. So to do this, open up your BitGet wallet. Note, this one on my screen here is BitGet Exchange. I'm not going to be using it. What I'm using is my BitGet wallet. So you open up your BitGet wallet. Now, if you don't have a wallet on BitGet already, all you simply have to do is import your Metamask. But because I have a wallet already, I'm going to be using import button. So I have another wallet here. The next thing now, I'll click on this my wallet. You can see that little arrow beside it, so that I'm going to also import my Metamask alongside this wallet I have already. So I'll click on add wallet, and then you scroll up to this section where they put import a wallet, and I'm going to be using my private key. So I'm picking this option, this mnemonics private key wallet or the likes. So you click on it and it will take you to this page. So the next thing I want to do now is to head into my Metamask and copy my private key. If you have it saved somewhere already, it's okay, but for me, I'm going to be copying directly from my Metamask. So I'll go to my settings and then I'll pick this option, security and privacy. You click on it. And then once it opens up, I'll follow the prompt so I can open up my key. And that is that about that. So I can now copy my private key from this page. So once it's copied, the next thing is to head back here and paste in the private key I've copied. So now I've successfully imported my wallet, and I'm going to make sure, or you need to confirm if you've imported or if you've done the right thing. So you go to this your wallet. It's the last button at the bottom right of your screen. You click on this wallet and you can see this is my address. So I'll head into my Metamask to confirm if the addresses are the same or if they match. Now, as you can see, it's the same address. Look at it here on my Metamask, same address. So we've confirmed that the address is the same. And the next thing now is to copy the address and fund this my wallet with 0.1 core. Yes, 0.1 core is required for gas fee. If you don't have, purchase from an exchange or any vendor of your choice, or you can send me a DM on WhatsApp to purchase. After depositing, the next thing is to add core mainnet. So I click on that search button, or you can click on this all mainnet on your screen. Then you select add tokens, and then the tokens are going to display. Look at it here. The first option here, core, that is it. You click on the plus sign to add it. So if I should go back now, you can see I've now switched to core mainnet. The next thing now is to copy that link that I showed you initially at the beginning of this video. You copy that link and I can now do my claiming on this page. And just like I said, check the description box of this video. There is a link there that's going to take you to my Telegram where you can simply copy the link. Now, once you copy the link on your BitGet, you come to this browser section and then you use the search, put in the link, and that is all. You wait for it to load up. Once it opens up, you'll be taken to this page, and here you have to connect your wallet. You have to link this page to your BitGet wallet. So after clicking on this connect wallet at the center of your screen, all you have to do is click on OK. You accept all the prompts that they are going to be bringing to you on this screen. Then you click on here to claim. You sign your network, put in the signature. And sometimes you might be asked to complete a captcha. All you have to do is click on that place. You complete this captcha. You can zoom your screen. Just pinch on it to zoom it if you are not seeing this clearly. Then you complete this captcha. So once that is out of the way, the next thing now is to click on this confirm. That is on this page. So you can see, once you've completed that, this is the message you're going to be getting on your screen. I zoomed it, so let me pinch it back and you can see, thank you, airdrop in wallet, whatever. So what that simply means is that my airdrop has been deposited to my wallet. So let me show you where it is. So if I go back now from this page, I'll click on my wallet, then refresh this page. And as you can see, CTO, you can see, look at it. My balance has been showing. And as you are seeing it now, it's currently showing $0. That is for the value. And that's because this CTO is not listed, just like I've said. So I saw some rumors somewhere that they're going to be listing on 1st of October, which is Monday, and about 3 days from now. I don't think that info is true, but then let's watch as it goes. And this is just the basic and simple way to do your importation. If you enter your MetaMask, if I go and check my MetaMask right now, this my balance will also be reflecting on my MetaMask. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, comment, and share. But if it is not, you are also free to dislike. Now, do not forget to use the link in the description box to join my WhatsApp or Telegram channel for more updates like this.